Welcome back. It is prime time. Amazon's yearly online shopping extravaganza, Prime Day, has arrived. It is in its sixth year. The two-day event encourages people to subscribe to Amazon's Prime service with thousands of time-sensitive discounts, major deals on Amazon-branded products. This year, Prime Day will debut a new section to help support small businesses, and it kicks off today. Joining me right now is retail and sales analyst Erin Sykes. Erin, great to have you. What are you expecting from Prime Day today?
So we're expecting about $10 billion in sales on 1 million products from Prime Day alone, not to mention the coinciding sales run by Walmart and Target, really to compete with Prime Day and kick off the holiday sale season early.
That's awesome. So this year, it's a little different because Amazon has a lot more competition, right? Other major retailers are looking to get a piece of the Prime Day shopping frenzy. Walmart is starting its big save event on Sunday. That will run until Thursday. Best Buy and Target are offering major deal promotions. Your take on the Prime Day competition?
Well, the one area where Amazon is not the leader is in brick and mortar and the true omnichannel experience. So this is where Target and Walmart might have a slight edge. They won't have the same reach as Amazon does during their Prime Day, but you do have the option to pick up same day in store, which has been huge throughout the pandemic. So because deliveries are still a little bit slow, we will be able to see Target and Walmart leverage their brick and mortar footprint.
All right, so it sounds like just a good day for all retail because of all the market competition and lots of deals out there. Erin, we will see. Thanks very much for being here, Erin. We want to get to earnings news. It's a busy morning. We so appreciate you joining me, Erin Sykes. J.P. Morgan is out with its numbers. They are on the screen. Let's get to Cheryl for more context. Over to you, Cheryl.
Looking for a double beat. We got a double beat here, Maria. And as you can see, the stock, again, a Dow component, is rising in the pre-market, up more than 1.5%. The estimate earnings per share was $2.23. The company came in strong, $2.92. Revenue estimate was $28.29 billion. They came in at $29.94 billion. Now, CCB loans were down a little bit, but more importantly, looking at assets under management and some other things, they put, oh, by the way, three-quarter provision for credit losses. This was big. We saw this last quarter, $611 million. Also, it's looking like average loans totaling up about 1%. But again, this is a bellwether name. We got a double beat on the earnings. You know, the banks have been performing this year. Looking at the stock, it's down about 27% year to date. But loan growth, the mortgages, the refinancing, all of those numbers we're watching for, and a lot of it coming in fairly strong, Maria. I'll send it back to you.
Cheryl, let's talk about this for a second because we've got a good report here on JPM and the stock is trading up. This is giving us a window also into the health of the consumer. That's why we want to know more about the loan losses, Cheryl. What else can you tell us in terms of what's driving the business, how JP Morgan is actually allocating its capital? Typically, this is a market mover, but look what's happening as we're talking. It is off of the highs right now, Cheryl.
It is. And you're right. The stock is moving up, but off the highs right now. And as I'm looking through I'm going through the report right now, it looks like legal expenses were a bit of an issue here, $524 million. And again, that quarterly provision for credit losses. But looking through the rest of the numbers right now, commercial banking coming in strong. That matters. And also consumer and community banking, which I know that's part of what you're asking about here, coming in $2.29 billion, $2.6 trillion assets under management for JP Morgan right now, Maria.
All right, Cheryl, thank you. The stock is up 2/3 of 1%. Stay with us. We'll speak with the CFO of J&J on the other side of this break.